I just thought you guys might be interested in taking a look at the unboxing of this dash camera that I ordered from Amazon. So here it is. Blah 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 blah. Trust of Hero Group. It's a Qubo Smart Dash Cam Pro. It costed me around 4K. And then it seems to be pretty sealed up for now. Let's take a look at what it has. I'll just show you the features of these. So it's a full HD 1080p, low light performance, wide view angle, intelligent event, parking mode, Wi-Fi compatible, time lapse, recording on demand, SD card support, multiple recording options, etc. etc. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. It's come in a pretty sealed package, so let's open it up. Right. Okay. That one goes off. When I was looking it up, I could find a lot of these devices for close to 10 grand. This was somewhere close to 4 grand. So I said, let's take a chance with this. Yeah, it's worthwhile. So yeah, here you go. Now you have a Dash Cam Pro quick start guide for resistance, QR code, and then you have this. This seems like a charger with only a single lead, so it has to go into your cigarette lighter or the 12-volt socket. Okay, yeah, so understood. And then you have the unit itself. That's how it is. It's pretty big. Let's take a look at this. Okay, it still has a lens cover here and a 3M, I think it's a sticky double-sided sticker, and there's some sort of a oil leakage that's happened here. I think it's the capacitor that's blown. So I think I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Is it capacitor that's blown, or let's see. We'll try and install it. Okay, sorry. Look. There is this movement possible, so maybe it is the oil for the same. We don't know. It's maybe a lube oil for that. So we'll find out soon. Okay, we'll find out soon. And what's inside here? And you open this up, and you have a long ass cable. This is a USB A type, maybe, on definitely not C. And this is the regular USB, and this is the wire that you need to try and conceal inside the plastic panels of your car, and that will be that. And this seems to be an additional sticker. That's an additional sticker. What is this? This seems like some sort of a prong. This is to get your side panels out. So this is pretty good, pretty useful. Good to see this being provided with the car. Yeah. So let's see how the performance is, and I hope it works. Looking forward to this. And this is what it was. There is no card available, so the card slot is empty. There is this reset button here, and this is the power supply. So that's about it. And then you have the power button out here, and that's that. So this was it, friends. Let's take a look at how it performs. Okay.